We're looking at Chapter 16, Properties of Curves. As you can see here from the cover page, we are going to be talking about in Section A, tangents and normals, Section B, increasing and decreasing functions, Section C, stationary points, and D, inflections and shape. Okay, first of all, let's look at this opening problem. The curve y equals x cubed. Subtract 4x. Okay, so this is a cubic function. This is the basic shape of a cubic function. Cubic function means that it changes direction 2 times. Okay, things to think about. At which points is the tangent to this curve horizontal? So I want you to be thinking about this. We've got certain points on here. We've got interval A, which is this part here. We've got point B. We've got point C. We've got point D. And we've got interval E. And we've got interval from B to D as well. Okay, so at which points is the tangent to the curve horizontal? Horizontal means this way. On which intervals is the curve increasing? Okay, when we're talking about increasing, we are referring to y as x increases. Okay, so basically as we're looking at the graph going in this direction, what is happening? Is y increasing or is y decreasing? I guess a better way of thinking of it is as x is increasing, is y increasing in this direction, like this, or is y decreasing as x is increasing? And at which point does the curve change its shape from concave down to concave up? Okay, all of these points are important points of this graph, and derivatives and second derivatives help us determine these points. That's what we're going to be learning about in this unit. So let's answer the questions. At which point is the tangent to the curve horizontal? Okay, well, as the horizontal, that would be this point at B, and also at this point at D. Okay, so 2 of those, B and D. On which intervals is the curve increasing? Okay, so here it is increasing. Okay, so interval A and all the way up to B. Also, there's another part that's increasing from D and up. So interval E from D up is also increasing. So interval A and interval D. Decreasing, though, is this portion of the graph from B to D, from B to D, that interval there. Okay, and at which point does the curve change its shape? Okay, it changes its shape. Interesting question. This is excellent. It changes its shape from concave down to concave up. Right here at this point, eh? Okay, so that's where it changes its shape. That is an inflection point. Point of inflection. All things we're going to be talking about in this unit.